If you are struggling with high amount of inflammation in your body, or you are waking up feeling tired in the morning, or you have chronic medical issues, specifically thyroid issues, then your body might be trying to heal itself, but your sleeping position is working against your own body. Most people do not realize this, but the way you sleep affects how you drain toxins in the night, how you are able to reduce inflammation, as well as how you can rebalance your thyroid hormones during the night time. So in today's video, I'm going to reveal this best sleeping position that is going to help your body in draining inflammation, naturally healing your thyroid gland. And I call this sleeping position drain and heal position. And stay till the end because I'm going to share with you the worst sleeping position, specifically if you have high amount of inflammation and thyroid issues in your body. Hi, I'm Dr. Anshul Gupta, a former Cleveland Clinic functional medicine physician from US. I help people improve their chronic diseases by making personalized functional medicine plans. We all spend 1/3 of our life asleep. And during that time, our body is just not resting. It is actually working internally in removing the toxin burden, rebalancing the hormones, and reducing inflammation in your body, as well as starting the repair process during the nighttime. Your brain has an inbuilt detox system which is called the glymphatic system. This system is responsible for removing toxins and also inflammatory chemical buildup which happens during the day. And for this glymphatic system of your brain to work properly, it relies heavily on gravity and proper circulation in your brain. And this is where the sleeping position is so important, because if you're sleeping in the wrong position, it restricts the lymphatic flow in your brain, which actually can increase inflammation in your body. So yes, how you sleep matters a lot. Not only the quality of the sleep, but we are actually talking about reducing inflammation, draining your toxins in specific sleeping positions. This is where this special drain and heal sleeping position is very important. So let me share with you first what this position is and what is the proper way of using this position. So basically this drain and heal position means that you sleep on the left side with your head, neck and spine all aligned together, as well as having a pillow in between your knees so that your hip is also aligned. Yes, it does sound confusing, but let me break it down step by step for you to easily understand it. So let me start with step 1. The step 1 is actually setting up your pillows properly. First of all, you need to choose a pillow for your head which keeps your neck aligned with your spine. This pillow cannot be too high as well as cannot be completely flat, because you need to align your neck with your spine properly. And then you need a second pillow which you are going to keep between your knees so that your hips are aligned properly, as well as there is less strain on your lower back. The step 2 is the sleeping method. In this, you need to sleep on the left side position. Your knees should be slightly bent and use the pillow in between your knees. When you are sleeping on the left side, try not to curl too much your body into the fetal position, because that again restricts the lymphatic flow. Instead, try to extend your arms, keep your upper body straight in the left side position and the legs slightly bent around the knee area. Now, if you're not used to sleeping on the left hand side, then you need to get used to this position. So for that, you can start with 30 minutes of your initial sleeping position on this left hand side, and then after that you can just move naturally in whatever position feels right for your body. And gradually it will take 3 to 4 weeks for your body to be adjusted into the left hand position and be comfortable in it. Now for this sleeping position to be successful, mattress also matters a lot, because if you're using a very hard mattress and you're sleeping on the left hand side, that can create pressure points and then you will feel achy in the morning. And if the mattress is too soft, then your hips and shoulders are going to sink into the mattress and that will misalign your body. So for that, a medium firm mattress which doesn't create too much pressure points as well as is not too soft is the best mattress for this position. Now the goal is not to sleep for the whole night in one single position. That is literally impossible for any person. But the goal is to educate you about this particular position and start training your body. So at least for a couple of hours during the night time, you can spend in this position. Now let me share with you why this position actually works. Now first of all, it actually improves your lymphatic drainage. Your major lymphatic drainage happens through the left thoracic duct. Now when you're sleeping on the left hand side, this left thoracic duct is actually much more opened and works better, so that the lymph flow throughout your body works really good. Now what is the importance of the lymphatic channel? The lymphatic channel actually helps in removing toxins throughout the night from your body. Plus, it also helps in removing the inflammatory chemical mediators which build up in our body during the daytime. Plus, when you sleep on the left hand side, your liver detoxes better, your stomach works better so that your gut is much more balanced, as well as your liver is able to remove more toxins in the night time. Plus, left-sided sleeping supports your vagus nerve. Your vagus nerve is your calming nerve in your body. It activates your parasympathetic mode, and by sleeping on the left hand side and improving your vagus nerve functioning, you are able to reduce your cortisol as well as rebalancing all the hormones in your body. So in short, this sleeping position, the drain and heal position, helps in eliminating toxins, help in reducing inflammation, as well as rebalancing your hormones all through the night. Now let me share with you what is the worst position specifically for inflammation and thyroid health. Now the worst sleeping position is actually sleeping on your stomach. The reason being, when you are sleeping on the stomach, it compresses your lymphatic channels, as well as compresses your thyroid gland, as well as also pushes your stomach and creates more pressure on it. So specifically, if you are waking up tired in the morning, or you have puffy face of lot of bloating all around your body, then you need to check if you are sleeping on your stomach majority of the time, because that might be the culprit over here. And that's where this left-sided sleeping position can really be helpful for you, because that will help you in reducing your bloating, reducing your puffiness, as well as also will help you to feel energized in the morning. Obviously, sleep is not all about the sleep position. The sleep quality and the duration matters a lot. So make sure you're sleeping at least 7 to 8 hours during the night. To improve your sleep quality, magnesium is a great supplement that you can add that will definitely improve your deep sleep during the night. We have created a special magnesium glycinate and magnesium complete supplement which has helped a lot of my patients improving their quality of sleep. I will highly recommend adding that magnesium supplement at bedtime. The link will be in the description if you want to buy it. Along with that, make sure you are switching off all your gadgets at least 1 hour before your sleeping time, because that blue light from those screens definitely affect your melatonin levels and will affect the quality of your sleep. So today I shared with you this special drain and heal sleeping position that can help you in draining toxins, reducing bloating, reducing inflammation, as well as rebalancing your thyroid and other hormones. Now obviously combine this sleeping position with an anti-inflammatory diet and all the other things which I have shared with you in other videos for reducing inflammation. And you will see within 3 to 4 weeks that you're waking up feeling more energized and less inflammation in your body. So I hope you like this video. If you do, please like and subscribe to my channel, as well as share this information with others who can benefit from it. Until next time, take care. Bye-bye.